You've noticed that many times when I'm doing something to operate on some entity, I use this bug to point directly. Well, it so happens we have a feature we call marker such that any place in a given file I can place a marker on a character and give it up to a 3-letter name. Then at any time in any command where it's appropriate to point and push this right-hand button to say select, I can hold the button down and enter that name and let the button up, and instead of it taking the character I'm pointing at with this bug, it takes the character for an operand that I had named, that I put that marker on a name. So off someplace I've got markers on patterns already set up for OTE, Open House Tuesday Evening and such. So I can say execute compiler from here, and I can type in Open House Wednesday afternoon, OWA, and say execute it. It says I did. I say, all right, let's see what you've got. Oh, Open House Wednesday afternoon. These are the people that are going to be there. Oh, what about Open House Wednesday or Tuesday evening? The OTE. Execute. Open House Tuesday evening. So these kind of pattern matchers and markers and freezing statements and jumping on things give us a great deal of power jumping around and moving, jumping around and studying. Right. Okay. All right. There are other things to show here. I forgot that it didn't need to freeze here. All right. Design documentation for our hardware and system analysis records. I'll just jump very quickly to that, just to show you that we use the same kind of structured stuff in the design of our hardware, where here is the design of a buffer register, and these are the different components labeled by comments in a language that's going to digest this file and produce a wiring list. We can open up another level and see that underneath of these are all the logical equations. We can come in just as quickly as anything, search down, search for different patterns, jump on links, modify them, put them out, recompile them, back.